groundbreaking 2027 Hummer Motorhome VIP combines tough power, cutting-edge technology, and first-class comfort. This motorhome redefines travel and luxury for people who refuse to choose between adventure and comfort. The 2027 Hummer Motorhome VIP seamlessly blends off-road prowess and VIP-level pleasure, whether you're on lonely mountain routes or the coast. Exterior design build. The 2027 Hummer Motorhome VIP's dramatic, futuristic exterior blends Hummer's military-inspired sturdiness with luxury elegance. The car is impact-resistant and robust due to its reinforced lightweight composite body. Oversized all-terrain tires, hydraulic suspension, and adaptable LED lighting systems give it a dominating presence in peak performance on desert dunes, woodland trails, snowy roads, and metropolitan freeways. The engine and performance, the Hummer Motorhome VIP's next-generation hybrid electric diesel drivetrain produces 1,200 horsepower and outstanding torque for smooth driving on any terrain. Its innovative all-wheel drive system and intelligent terrain recognition technology provide unrivaled performance and efficiency with up to 800 miles of range on a single charge and auxiliary solar power for off-grid use. Smart technology and luxury interiors. Enter a mobile suite of modern luxury. Inside, the Hummer Motorhome VIP is large and customizable, like a five-star hotel. Included, master bedroom with memory foam king-size bed and smart glass windows with panoramic views. High-tech lounge with voice-controlled lighting and 70-inch 8K OLED home theater system. Designer kitchen with full-size fridge, induction cooktop, dishwasher, and smart oven. Spa-inspired bathroom with rainfall shower, heated flooring, and self-cleaning smart toilet. Climate control zones with purified air and noise cancellation insulation. An AI-driven control panel syncs with your smartphone or voice assistant. Built-in satellite communications and 6G hotspots ensure internet connectivity in remote areas. Safety and security. Advanced safety features include 360-degree camera surveillance, biometric access, drone perimeter monitoring, and automatic emergency response in the Hummer Motorhome VIP. For further security, it has bulletproof glass, a panic room module, and a smart escape hatch. Customization options. Interior themes, off-road accessory packages, roof deck extensions, mobile office suites, and rooftop gardens let you customize your Hummer Motorhome VIP. This vehicle suits digital nomads, luxury adventurers, and executive travelers. The 2027 Hummer Motorhome VIP is a statement automobile, an engineering and design marvel for limitless living. Travel differently and experience luxury exploration's future.